Hey guys, welcome back to Up Quick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Orre Naturals review. So you might be wondering what is these Orre Naturals or the Orre Natural here that you may be hearing online. So Orre Natural here is a scalp wellness brand positioned around addressing thinning, bald spots, traction damage, inflammation, and shedding at the root. Now with messaging centered on black women's scalp and hair concerns. Though the brand states the product is unisex here and effective for other scalp types too. Now, the formula is described as 98% natural free from sulfates, parabens, silicones, synthetic fragrance, and what they call phthalates, drying alcohols, and mineral oil. Now, the key active ingredient listed are salicylic acid, or which in this case exfoliates buildup to unclog follicles, L-menthol, which is or has a cooling sensation, reduces itch and stimulates blood flow, caffeine, which is described as helping block DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss, pumpkin seed extract, which in this case phytosterol, described as helping inhibit DHT and reduce inflammation. And they do have what we call vitamin B5, which includes or provides hydration, strengthens hair at the root. And aloe vera juice here, which calms inflammation, adds moisture. And the brand states these are backed by ingredient level peer reviewed research, which is available on request via email. Now, rather than clinical trials of the finished product itself, and notes it doesn't claim to cure conditions like CCCA, which is centrifugal tracheal alopecia, and only to support a healthier scalp environment. Now, how to exactly use this product here? Now, according to them, you just need to apply directly to the scalp, focusing on bald spots here, thin edges, or areas of concern. On dry or clean, damp scalp before any oil or styling products. Now, in this case, you want to go and just massage it gently for at least like 60 seconds, and don't rinse out, and use once daily here. Now, ideally at night, according to them. Now, if layering with oils, butters, or gels afterward, wait 10 to 20 minutes to let the ampule absorb first. Now, each 30 ml bottle is listed as lasting up to 3 to 4 weeks with consistent daily use, and the brand recommends a patch test before full use. And also consulting a doctor first for anyone pregnant or breastfeeding. Now, as for the pricing itself, the FAQ page here references an ongoing buy one get one free promotion. Now, checking the main product page directly would show the current single bottle price here, since that specific figure wasn't shown in the FAQ. Now, currently, you could get a buy one get one free here for around $39.99 with a trio and a 90-day crown revival protocol bundle as well, which is in this case $59 for hair trio or hair revival trio and $89.99 for the 90-day crown revival protocol. Now, in this case, currently they do have a free standard shipping applies on orders over $50, and delivery is listed at like 7 to 10 business days for US orders, and it comes with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee refund policy according to them. Now, if you are really trying or if you are planning on using this product here, it's best to consult a doctor first. Now, like what they mentioned here, it's best to consult a doctor first or a dermatologist just to be on the safe side. So just in case if you have any allergies or if you're taking other medications or using other ointments as well, just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.